homeowner.
Ladies.
Ladies and gentlemen,
0.25% fixed.
join the princess. Now here she comes.
What is her name?
Princess Riley. Princess Riley.
Princess Riley.
Riley.
We're ready for your grand entrance.
Yay, Princess Riley.
Where is she at, Baron?
Go get her.
Riley, they're calling for you.
Yeah, we're ready for Riley to come in. Is she still getting ready?
I'm
Okay, Riley, your turn to announce Baron.
Yeah, okay, Riley, your turn to announce Baron. Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, join the Princess Riley, and now here she comes.
Yay!
Yay!
Oh, let's dance.
Oh, she's a pretty ballerina. Okay, Riley, you have to announce. Riley, you announce Baron.
Riley, come on out.
It's your turn to announce Baron.
Baron's
Yeah,
over there.
Baron, you gotta, yeah.
No,
And Riley,
Riley,
you come announce Baron. There you go.
Get on the stand.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's see Baron Teddy.
Yay!
I have a clean hat.
Okay.
Because well, wait, I need to get ready. I'm ready.
Okay.
I got to get a hat.
Okay. Announcer Baron.
I need
Ladies
to
and
get
gentlemen.
Come here, Baron. We didn't get ready.
You have to go put your makeup on.
We'll go. Get your makeup on. You got to wear a hat. Let me know. No.
Baron, you wear a hat. The announcer wears a hat.
Hey.
Oh.
I'm ready.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, go ahead, Baron.
Okay, Baron.
Everybody, join the Princess Riley. Now here she comes.
Yay!
Twirl, Riley, twirl.
Oh.
Whee!
Nice catwalk.